Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing grapes. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. You know that drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words. It can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a blank piece of paper into whole new words. Drawing is like magic. Make picture with your hands just like stories. Drawing grapes is easy. Start by drawing a small oval shape from one grape. Then draw more ovals around it for the other grapes. Connect them with curly lines to make them look like they are in a bunch. Add little circles on the grapes for texture. Finally, draw a stem with the leaf at the top for each bunch. And there you have it, a simple drawing of grapes. I hope you like my video. Then like and share it. Thank you so much you watching my video.